Take a look at Johnny Fly, or as his friends know him, John Chapman. Going to take to this guy's next as we look at his second place finishing run.
So he laid down a 7 lap in 2:11. It was actually on his last and final run. Looking at these times, he was definitely consistent throughout the whole event. 7 laps, 2:18, 2:17, 2:15, getting better and better and better all the way up until he got a 7 in 2:11 on the last and final run of the day. And he took second place to K Mead.
He had 3 7-lap runs in the books. And this is his fourth. What would be the fourth one? So kind of pressure was off. He knew he had a 21-lap run, so he could really let loose and go for it in his final round. So I'm looking forward to this one. This ought to be good. On board now with Johnny Fly and 26 volts as he preloads and launches through the chicane. A little switchback action. Looks very smooth. And as we said, this was his fourth 21-lap attempt of the day. He knew he had 3 solid runs in, so just kind of letting loose right now. And earned him, what did he shave? Almost a solid 6 seconds off his previous best run. So
those camera settings, though.
Smooth and easy here, but could be a little more clear. Working through the top side, out of the back end of the course. Another
that must have been K Mead right there passing it.
Yeah, that was probably the same spot we saw before. No, because this was his 5th run. That was K Mead's 4th run.
Ooh, you see that? He took that gate aggressively. I think it kind of shook him a little bit as he kind of bobbled that carousel there. But he's back online now.
Man, I need to watch more of the single cam footages like this. This really gives you a great idea of how fast these guys really are. I mean, I fly myself, and I don't think I'm a slouch, but man, this is ripping.
So he's going kind of a little combo there. Oh, I don't know what happened there.
He sidestep combo there
for a second.
Yeah. Working through the hurdle section down to the bottom right-hander, now the corkscrew area.
This track, you are never level. The whole track is just, you're turning left or right. You're always banked. Maybe there's one little spot where you kind of level out. But this whole section here, you're banked the whole time.
You got a little breather there on those, the right-hander building up to the hurdle corkscrew. But other than that, everything's pretty pepper.
This is kind of a breather right here. You're kind of just like holding that angle. And then you're like, okay, back on it, back on it.
Yeah, right. Time to bank sticks. So, almost wrapping it up here one more time.
He's definitely slower than K Mead on this section here.
Yeah, it's almost like you can see where he's losing it. I think he might be quicker through the switchbacks, but that smooth flowy section, he kind of backs her down a notch.
Ooh, nice little freestyle celebration there for the 7-lapper. Best of luck to all these guys, and we'll see you guys next week on MultiGP News with the Charlie and Colby show.
No, it's the Colby and Charlie show.